Today we'll talk about how can you enable email notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to communications, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to email, then you click here in this sign. So you just switch in here. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean email notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.